5 rules hot, mature women don't want you to know, but I'm spilling all of them. These will transform you physically into the best version of yourself. Number 1, fix your eyebrows before you touch anything else on your face. As we age, eyebrows don't just thin, they drop. They become uneven and they pull your entire eye area downward. This is a muscle tension and direction problem. Tight forehead and brow muscles drag your brows down, making your eyes look tired, hooded, asymmetrical, and older than they actually are. What works? Just release that eyebrow tension. Massage your frontal muscles upward towards the scalp, especially using a 𝗙𝗪𝗧𝗏 wand, which works deeper than your fingers without pulling your skin. Once you release the tension, start working on restoring your symmetry. Comb your eyebrows upward using a spoolie, just with pure aloe vera gel. This instantly lifts your eyebrows from here to here. No, you don't need any expensive or chemically loaded waxes for this. Your short takeaway here is that the correct eyebrow shape can literally transform your entire face. Ignore your brows and everything else works half as well. Number 2 is puffy face. That puffy face isn't fat, it's trapped fluid. If your face looks different every morning, this is why. Water retention changes your face shape, your eye openness, your jawline definition, your symmetry. Skincare cannot fix this because creams sit on the surface. They don't move your lymph or your fascia. That's why 𝗙𝗪𝗧𝗏 wand to the rescue once again. Now this improves circulation. It supports your lymphatic drainage. It softens fascia that pulls your features downwards. This is why some of these effective tools beat random skincare layering. If you've purchased skincare products one after another and still felt that something's missing, then it is the puffiness, the lymph that is stagnated that's making your face look puffy. Start getting rid of it. I'll link the wand in the description below. Number 3 is coffee. I didn't quit coffee, but I stopped letting it ruin my skin. Excess coffee can dehydrate tissues, increase inflammation, worsen puffiness. One simple fix: swap 1 coffee a day for a vitamin C rich fruit like amla or passion fruit. Now why? Because vitamin C supports collagen production. It helps your gut health, inflammation control, better digestion, clearer and less puffy face. Include something in your diet and create the balance. This is your internal skincare and your face shows it fast. Number 4, sun damage. You can undo years of skincare in just 10 minutes of sun. Sun exposure causes wrinkles, pigmentation, uneven texture, faster sagging. Now the problem isn't sunscreen, it is reapplication. My suggestion is to use a sunscreen mist or a spray that you can reapply every 90 minutes. It can be done within seconds. You can reapply it over your makeup without getting your hands messy or leaving that white cast on your face. And I got mine from a super potent sunscreen from a Korean beauty certified supplier. Let me break this to you, not every Korean beauty product that claims to be from Korea is actually from Korea, including Amazon. So without having to go to Korea, I have someone who supplies it to me. I'll go ahead, take her permission and make sure to add her contact information in the description below. And if you're looking for authentic skincare products that truly work, definitely contact her. Or comment SPF and I'll send you the contact information. This is why your jawline looks softer even if you're slim. A lot of people think soft jawline and double chin shows up on people who have excess body weight. But anyone, even if you're slim, you will start to show a softer jawline if you have a stagnant body. A stagnant body creates a stagnant face. Notice people who have sedentary lifestyles. You will notice double chin and soft jawlines and sagging jowls more prominent on those people versus people who have active lifestyles. Daily movement improves your digestion, so it reduces bloating, it improves circulation, and yes, facial bloating responds to body movement, not just face massages. And now for the bonus tip. We're done with the 5 tips, but just because I'm having a good day today, I'm going to give you this special tip. Let's talk about smile care. Brush, of course, but also oil pull to reduce oral bacteria naturally. And don't forget to scrape your tongue because oral toxins affect inflammation, breath, and your skin clarity. If you didn't know that, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Confident face activated. Are you actually living by these rules or just saving videos? Don't follow me if you're looking for shortcuts. Follow only if you want to control over how you age, how you're seen, what your perception is, and if you want to change it. I'm 𝗙𝗪𝗧𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, your face yoga and self-image coach, and I teach natural, holistic face and image control through structure. not trends. All my programs and opportunity to work with me one-on-one are linked in the description below if you are ready to go deeper. Like if you're excited to try these small changes that can make big shifts. Follow me on all my other social media platforms. Share this video with someone you know needs even one of these tips. Empowered women empower women. And on that note, I will see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.